Next topic, RHS congruence criterion. This is the last criterion, very important criterion, congruence criterion. RHS, what is the meaning of RHS? R represent right angle. H represent hypotenuse. S represent side. Okay, this is the RHS congruence criterion. Right angle, hypotenuse, side. The triangle must be right angle. Okay, right angle triangle. Okay, PQR and ABC are right angle triangle. Okay, in right angle triangle we can use this congruence, RHS congruence criterion. Okay, then here angle P equal to 90 degree, angle B also 90 degree. In this two right angle triangle, hypotenuse and one side triangle is equal to, one side of a triangle is equal to hypotenuse and same corresponding hypotenuse and one side of another right angle triangle, then these two triangles are congruent. This is here angle P equal to 90 degree, therefore QR is the hypotenuse. Okay, QR equal to 8 centimeter, altitude also 3 centimeter. The same thing here also, AC equal to 8 centimeter. AC is the hypotenuse. This side is just opposite of angle 90 degree. Then 8 centimeter. AB equal to, that means altitude equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, here PQ represent what? Base. BC also base. Okay, hypotenuse and altitude given, these two are equal, then you can write it what? These two triangles are congruent. Okay, hypotenuse and one side of a triangle PQR is equal to hypotenuse and one side AB altitude. Okay, AB here also PR altitude but equal, then definitely these two triangles are congruent. Okay, then next here, what's the RHS congruence criterion? Here, if under a correspondence the hypotenuse and one side of a triangle, right angle triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another right angle triangle, then the triangles are congruent. RHS congruence criterion means what? The triangle must be a what? Right angle triangle. Okay, this is another right angle triangle. Okay, here next try this. Page number 148. By applying RHS congruence rule, state which pairs of triangles are congruent. In case of congruent triangles, write the result in symbolic form. Okay, triangle, first consider these two triangles, triangle PQR and triangle DEF. In these two triangles, PR is the hypotenuse, here GF is the hypotenuse. Okay, here PQ is the altitude and DE is the altitude. Okay, both are same or not. Okay, should check it. Okay, first consider triangle PQR and triangle DEF. Here angle Q equal to angle E, 90 degree. Okay, next PR equal to DE, sorry, PR equal to PR, so hypotenuse DF equal to 6 centimeter. But PQ equal to 3 centimeter, DE equal to 2.5 centimeter. PQ equal to 3 centimeter, DE equal to 2.5 centimeter. Here this is the altitude, the PQ also altitude, but these two altitudes are different. One is 3 centimeter, another one is 2.5 centimeter. Therefore, these two triangles are not congruent. Next, second question. Here, can you see the two triangles in this figure? Triangle ACB and BDA are two triangles. Okay, in these two triangles, here hypotenuse means what's the hypotenuse of these two triangles? Here in triangle ACB, angle C is 90 degree. Definitely AB considers what? Hypotenuse. Okay, here angle D equal to 90 degree. Definitely ABD, in triangle ABD, AB considers what? Hypotenuse. Okay, then AC is the altitude, then BD is the altitude. Okay, then consider triangle ACB and triangle BDA. Okay, ACB and BDA. Next you write it what? AB equal to AB, common side, next here AC equal to BD equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, angle C equal to angle D 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ACB congruent to, how can I, one side means altitude, both are altitude, then hypotenuse also, this is a hypotenuse also equal. Definitely these two triangles are congruent. You can write in the symbolic form. How can you write in the symbolic form? First I started here ACB. Okay, you can start to any vertex. Okay, no problem, but corresponding vertex you should write it there. Okay, first you started ACB. The same thing, first you should start here also BDA. Okay, triangle. Okay, BDA by RHS congruence rule. Third question. Here first you consider the two triangles. What are the two triangles? ADC and ABC. Okay, consider triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Here angle B equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. Okay. AB equal to AD equal to 3.6 centimeter. Next here, this side CA is the common side of both the triangles. Okay, then you can write what CA equal to or AC equal to AC. Anyway, you can write CA equal to CA, common side. These two are right angle triangle because angle D equal to 90 degree, angle B equal to 90 degree. These two are right angle triangle. Then the CA considers what? Hypotenuse of these two triangles. Then one of the side also given that what said this a base 3.6 centimeter or altitude. Okay, 3.6 centimeter. Definitely these two triangles are congruent. Okay, then how can you write in the symbolic form? Triangle ABC congruent to, here you start from this vertex A, B 3.6 centimeter side AB. The same thing you start from ADC. Triangle ADC by RHS congruence rule. Homework exercise 7.2 question number 1 and 2.